The property management industry is changing rapidly, and the question we get asked all the time is how do we make sure that we're not falling behind? At Kolmeo, we've reimagined how property management works to help agencies compete, to grow and become more profitable. We do this through modern payments technology, data-driven design and artificial intelligence.
For large and rapidly growing agencies, Kolmeo offers control across multiple offices, brands and teams, all from a single login. Granular roles and permissions means that your team sees only exactly what they need to and nothing that they don't.
If you're serious about scale, insight and the flexibility to operate with different business models, then Kolmeo is built for you. It's unparalleled in terms of its ability to open up access to operate in all sorts of different ways. Not everybody needs to change, but for those who are ready to, it's a game changer.
And with Kolmeo Plus, you can generate revenue from services your tenants and landlords already use. It's passive income powered by Kolmeo.
Kolmeo makes property management smoother and simpler. Australia's biggest property management businesses do many things differently. But the one thing they all do the same is choose Kolmeo to power their property management teams.